Okay guys, so let's go ahead. So let's start with so as already yesterday we have seen, guys, what is a medical coding. Let's brush it up once before we move further today, guys. Okay, what is medical coding? So when we talk about the medical coding, guys, so let's try to understand this. I'm just brushing up the things, guys. Then we'll move further. The terminology medical refers to what, guys? First of all, let's try to split it and understand what is medical. Then we'll see what is a coding. Okay, so let's see what is a medical basically. The terminology called medical, guys, is a specialized the terminology called medical is a specialized language used in healthcare, used in healthcare to precisely or to preciously describe the human body. Okay, guys. Human body and its functions. And its functions, comma, condition, then diseases. And also the treatment. And now, guys, when it comes to okay, guys, when it comes to the treatment, what about this? The treatment. Okay, so we can say the next to see medical treatment. Basically, these medical treatment are classified or divided into the following. The first one is called as what, guys? Medication. Medication means what? The method of treatment. Okay, medication is nothing but what, guys? The method of treatment. So, guys, am I audible clearly, everyone? Yeah. Please respond, everyone, please. Hello. Yes, guys, am I audible? Okay, everyone. Guys, you should respond, please. I want a reply from all of you. If you're not able to talk, you can also message me, guys. You have a chat box, so you can say something yes or no. So, guys, am I audible? Yeah, everyone. Am I audible? Hello. Okay, guys. Then, okay. So, as we know, guys, we were looking onto the medical coding. So, instead of seeing this individually, what I've done, I've split this word medical and separately coding. So, what do you mean by medical? So, what is medical is nothing but it is a specialized language used in a healthcare to preciously describe, okay, guys, describe the human body and its function, condition, diseases, and the treatment. And when it comes to this medical treatment, so what are the types of medical treatments we can have on the human body? The first one is called as what, guys? Medications. Okay, so what do you mean medications, everyone? Yeah, guys, what do you mean medication? That is called as what? Prescribed. Just prescribed drugs. Okay, to treat, prescribed drugs to treat various conditions. That means various health conditions, you can say. That is called as what? See, the type of medical treatment you can say. The following are the type of medical treatment. The first one is called as what, guys? Medication. Prescribed drugs to treat the various conditions is the first one. And what is the second kind of treatment, guys? Surgery. Everyone. The second kind of treatment is what, guys? Surgery. What is surgery? Yes, guys, surgery is nothing but invasive procedures to correct yes, guys, physical problems. Yeah, invasive procedures to correct the physical problems. Okay, and the third method of treatment is what, guys? Therapies. So what is a therapy, guys? What is therapy? Therapy is nothing but what? Physical, occupational, occupational, or other therapies. Okay, guys, to help a patient recover and improve. Okay, what is it? Health therapies to that is nothing but physical, occupational, or other therapies to help patient recover and improve their functionality. Okay, guys. And the fourth method of treatment is what, guys? Everyone? Yes, guys. Are you there? Yes, the fourth method of treatment is what, guys? Counseling. Counseling is another method of treatment. We adopted it here, guys. What is addressing? Counseling is nothing but what, guys? Addressing medical health, or we can say addressing mental health, concerns, and providing support. So these sorry, these are the method of treatments, we can say, guys. These are the various methods of treatments. So first of all, we can say what is a medical coding. So I have splitted the same. First of all, I'm discussing about the medical. What is medical? So medical is a specialized language, guys. Medical is a specialized language used in healthcare preciously describe the human body and its function, condition, diseases, function, conditions. Okay, guys, conditions. Yes, you can use. Okay, function, conditions. Okay, diseases and treatments. And what is it, guys? Treatments. Okay. And when you talk about the medical treatment is classified or divided into the 4 different categories. That is called as what, guys? Medication, surgery, therapies, and as well as the counseling. These are the 4 different. Okay, guys. These are the everyone. These are the 4 different. We can say, guys. These are the 4 different method of treatments. Okay, guys. Method of treatments. And now, guys. And next one, guys, after this, everyone. Now let us see what is a coding. Okay, guys, now let us see what is a coding. To understand it in a very better manner, guys, let us see what is a coding. So once you understand the coding, then we will see what is a medical coding and how do we code it, guys. Just 1 minute, guys. So guys, when it comes to this coding, codes are nothing but the method of guys, codes are nothing but the method of treatment, medication, the method of treatments such as medications, such as what's it, guys? Medications, surgeries, therapies, and counseling. Okay, are mentioned in a coded language, which consists of alphanumeric codes, which consisting of what is it? Alphanumeric, which consisting of alphanumeric ranging from 3 to 7 characters, 3 to 7 characters in length, where the first three characters indicating where the first three characters indicating, okay guys, the first three characters indicating the diagnosis, category, and remaining characters provides further details. Okay, further details. And these codings, guys, whatever we code, okay, whatever the codes we write it here, guys, everyone, whatever the codes we write it here, these are as per the, okay guys, as per the, these whatever the codes we write it, these are as per the, these codes are written as per the ICD 10 CM standards. Those are, okay guys. So okay, so already yesterday we have seen what is ICD. So what can you tell me, guys, what is ICD stands for? Yes, ICD stands for what, guys? Everyone. Yeah, I'm not able to understand, guys. You people are following it or not, or what is the issue in discussion of the same? I want everyone to respond it, guys. Without responding, it will be very difficult for me whether you people are following or not. Okay, to move further. So please, I request everyone to just respond it. Say something, guys.
International Classification of Diseases.
Yes, exactly. So ICD stands for what, guys? International Classification of Diseases. International
Classification of Diseases.
Classification of Diseases. International Classification of Diseases. And what is this 10th, guys? What is this 10? 10 represents what? 10th revision.
10 reasons.
Yeah. 10th represents the 10th revision. Okay. So what is it? It is a 10th revision. And now what it is, guys? It's a,
Coded manner.
yes, global system. Everyone, it's a global system used to code, what is that, guys? Diseases and health conditions health condition for various purpose. For various purpose, including, guys, what is it? Including mortality, Then more it's a mortality, morbidity, and facilitating just a minute. Morbidity and facilitating healthcare billing and also used for research, guys. And also used for what? Research. And also used for research. So why these codes are used? Okay, to assess the following conditions. Okay, to assess the following conditions, we can say. And now the next one, guys. Apart from this, when we say about the, what is it, guys? ICD 10CM. What are the other standards we have it, guys? The other standards, the second standard we can say, guys, what is it? It is called as what? CPT. So what is the CPT, guys?
Current procedural terminology.
Exactly. Current procedural terminology.
Oh,
Current procedural terminology. Okay. So CPT stands for what is current procedural terminology.
procedure cadre in the human body.
Yes. A medical code. What it is? It is a, guys, it is a medical code. It is a medical code used to report, medical, surgery, and diagnosis or diagnostics. Okay. Services given to the patient. Given to the patient. Given to the patient. That's it, guys. Given to the patient. That's it. Okay. Then apart from this, guys, what is the other standard we have it, guys? The first one is ICD. Okay, guys. The first one is the ICD, and the second one is the CPT, and the third one we have it as what, guys?
HCPCS.
Yes, HC
PCS.
PCS. Yes, exactly. So what does this HCPCS stands for, what, guys?
Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System.
Exactly. So this stands for what? Healthcare
Common
Common Procedural
Procedure Coding
Coding
System.
System. And what it is, guys? what it is basically, it is a standard, or we can say it is a standardized system used to report, standardized system used to report healthcare, procedures, services, and supplies, for what guys? For billing and reimbursement. Billing and what's it guys? Reimbursement purpose. And where it is used basically guys, particularly mostly it is used in the US. Okay, because here whenever we go here for medical treatment, any one of us, whenever we go for a medical treatment guys, here simply we pay the cash and get the things done for small purpose. If you are getting cold, flu, etc., fever, etc., simply we go guys, simply we go there. Yes, simply we go to the doctor, we pay the money, and we take the treatment and come back. Even the medication, everything we take it here. But in the US or in other countries, not only in US, in other countries as well, the system is not like that guys. If anybody has any health condition, okay, if anybody has any health condition, they visit the doctor with their, what is it guys, medical insurance card, with their medical insurance card. And once they reach there, immediately they go to the hospital, and in the the billing section, they will, okay, and in the they will show the card. Based on that card, that means the whole medical treatment will be charged through that card. And now guys, charged through that card. And now once the treatment is given to the subject or the patient, and once the treatment is given to the patient or the subject, you can say guys, you can say patient, it is given to the patient, the type of treatment given, whether that treatment type is what guys, what are the medical treatment, it can be medication, or it can be surgery, it can be therapies, or it can be counseling. All these will be billed on the insurer. That is nothing but on the insurance company, will be billed on the insurance company. And now for reimbursement and passing that particular claim received, the for reimbursement and passing that particular claim received from the patient to the insurance company, the insurance company requires this method of treatment in, what is that guys, medical coding mode, in a medical coding, in the form of what guys, medical coding. So that is the reason why we are here. Okay, why we are here to, okay guys, write this medical coding. So mostly this medical coding is used in, what is that guys, in the healthcare, that is in the healthcare industry. And even it is used, and it is mostly required by the insurance companies. Okay, now even the healthcare companies, such as you have a Boston Scientific is there. Okay, when we talk about this Boston Scientific, it is the Boston Scientific, I'm writing it here, Boston Scientific. It is a product based company which manufactures various products for making the human life easier. Okay, that is nothing but even the that is the implant devices they are manufacturing it. So whereas for those devices, even they require the medical health data of the subject. In which form? In the coded form. So hence such kind of a codes Such kind, for what purpose they require? They require it for the purpose of clinical trials. They require the same for the purpose of what? Clinical trials. So all of you must be aware what is clinical trial. Clinical trial is nothing but, guys, testing the efficacy, side effects, and the toxic effects of a medication or a method of treatment or a device. It can be implant or implant device. That means the device which is put inside the human body is called as what? Implant device or external device, whatever you have it. So for seeing the efficacy and the negative effects, that's positive and the negative effects, we go for the process called what? Clinical trial. So medical coding is not only used, medical coding is not only used for billing purpose by the insurance companies, but it is also, these codes are also used by the, in the process of clinical trials by various corporates, by various, what's it, guys? Corporates, everyone. Okay, so now everyone, now guys, so what is the job of a medical, that is nothing but a medical coder? What is the job of a medical coder? So guys, the medical coder or a person, okay, a medical coder or a person, okay, who is into the medical coding, they must and should know, guys, they must and should know, everyone. I'm sharing you the screen. They must and should know, everyone, the codings, okay, the medical coding. So now you must be getting it out. See, you have many, okay, many method of treatments is there, many diseases are there. How to identify that, how to read it, how to remember it? For that, we have a, guys, can you see here? We have a website here, ICD 10, ICD10 data.com slash ICD 10cm slash ICD 10cm slash, yes guys, slash table underscore neoplasm, neoplasma. Let's see here. Okay, guys. Okay, so let's use it here. This is one enough. Now can you see here? These are all the, this is the one you have it. Suppose here you want, guys, suppose here you want, okay, sorry, any code you wanted. So simply you can write it here. Okay, can you see here? Codes revised in this, all details you will have it. Okay, these are some free codes, guys. Apart from this, you will have many more. Okay, this is for only to show you a sample of the same, guys. Can you see here, everyone? Everyone is able to see the screen here? Please respond. Yeah, my question is, everyone is able to see the screen? The screen is visible, guys. ICD10data.com.
Yes, visible.
Okay, guys. So now, anyways, can you see here?
Yes, I can.
I'm writing it. Simple, fever. You type it here. Can you see here? This is the code for it. Open this. Can you see here, guys? These are all the codes you have it for it. Year wise, it is given, is very clear. This website will help you. Can you see here? This website will help you. Can you see here? Applicable to quarantine fever. Following codes A 79.0 contains animation, black reference that may be applicable. Can you see here? All these are the things we have it. So let us see. Instead of this, I will give you the very easiest one. Guys, let us say COVID-19. Let's use it COVID-19. See here, guys. COVID-19. See, just I'm opening this. Coronavirus as a cause of disease classified elsewhere. Okay. Phenomena due to the SARS associated coronavirus. Code to identify the phenomena of other manifestations such as phenomena due to the COVID. Can you see here? You can click on this, or post-COVID conditions. See here, guys. So last it is updated here on what? 2023. See here. Everyone. The following codes above Z86.16 contains, okay, annotation back reference, okay, applicable to factors influencing health status and contact with health service. Person with the potential health hazards related to the family and personal history and certain conditions influencing the health status. See here. These are all the codes. So can you see here? Z00 to Z99. Z77 to Z99. So these are all the conditions. Okay, guys. And now, can you see here? To converting it to the code. Okay, this one is huh? Everyone. So this website is particularly, can you see here, guys? SARS-CoV-2 infection. What is it? What is the code for it, guys? Z86.16. Can you see here? This is the code of the same. So if any person is suffering with COVID-19, so we write like this. Everyone, can you see here? Let us see. The patient name is ABC. I'm giving, okay, ABC, comma, he's suffering from this code. Means what, guys? Z86.16 means what? COVID-19. Am I right? Then comma. What is the method of treatment given here? What's the method of treatment? Let us say they're using a what is it? Covaxin. Let's see the Covaxin. SR19. Okay, some code I'm giving it. Okay, you can say SR19. So all this is nothing but, so here it represents what? The name of the sub patient and the disease he has right now and the method of treatment given to him. That is a medication given to him for treatment. Okay, so this is how a sample one I'm just writing it. This is just a sample, nothing realistic, guys. So the same type. So we are going to learn here how to write this code. How to write this code. That is nothing but the name of the patient and method of treatment given to him, and then what type of disease he has and what is the method of treatment. And now even we can add the doctor code also as well. Let us say I'm giving it DR47. That means this is the doctor's code in, let us say, some hospital. This is the doctor code, and hospital code is, let us say, American Health Institute, or else say AHA, American Health Association. This is a government hospitals in America. So can you see here, guys? The all code is given here. What is it? Can you see? The patient subject name is ABC, and he has a COVID-19, and to treat him, what is that? SR19 medication is given in the hospital by the doctor DR47 in the hospital called what? AHA hospital. That is American Health Association hospitals. Okay, guys, can you see here? This is a type of code. So in this particular coded manner, we require, guys, we require, and even you can add the health conditions, how his health is responding in a coded manner now. Okay, even, okay, so let's see, the health condition is what's it, guys? Normal. And now positive, something like this, positive. Okay, the response of the body is what? Positive. All this we can write it here, guys. So the writing it, so with this code is mostly used for what, guys? Reimbursement, insurance reimbursement base. Okay, and this is required by the insurance companies. And now, apart from the insurance companies, these are also used, these codes are also used by the healthcare industry, such as what is it, sir? Clinical trial research organizations. Clinical trial research organizations, even they require this data, guys. So for them, we are the person as a medical coder who is going to code it for them. And now, guys, what are the type of medical coders you have it? You have two type of medical coders, guys. What are the two type of medical coders? One is the certified medical coder.
Certified medical coder, uncertified.
Yes. So, certified medical coder, exactly. And uncertified medical coder, guys. Uncertified medical coder. So these are the two type of coders we have it. So obviously, guys, uncertified medical coder will not be paid much. Uncertified medical coder will not be paid much, as yesterday we have already discussed. But all the corporates, when it requires a medical coder to be hired, okay, a medical coder to be hired, then they will always prefer the medical coding, okay, certified medical coder. Certified, what is it, guys? Certified medical coder. They require what is it, guys? Certified medical coder. They require what? Certified medical coder. And now, guys, when it comes to this medical coding, who gives this one, guys? That is nothing but certification of the medical coder, guys. Who gives the that is nothing but the certificate for the medical coder? Certified medical coder. The certified medical coder need to write an examination to become a medical certified medical coder. You require to, guys, write an examination. That examination is called as what, guys? CPC. And this is conducted by, what is it, guys? AAPC.
AAPC.
Yeah, American Academy of Professional Coders.
Professional coder.
American Academy of the Professional Coders. American Academy of the Professional Coders is going to conduct this examination, which has, or which will have, you can say, guys, which will have 100 questions. 100 questions, guys, which will have, what is that? 100 questions. So now, how to prepare on these 100 questions based on the various parameters, that is something, but how it is we are going to get this code, or how do we are going to crack this examination. That is the only thing we are going to do right now, guys. So on the daily basis, so we will see everything individually. First of all, we will see what is human anatomy, the basic structure of the human body, okay, and about the systems as well. That is called as digestive system, respiratory system, and even the reproductive system. All these are the systems we are going to see it, guys. Then I'll explain you that. Then how do we write each one of it in a coded manner? So from the basic level till the ending level, that is to the end level, we are going to see this. If you are good in all that, guys, definitely you can crack this. That's not an issue. Okay, that's not an issue. Definitely you can crack this, guys. Okay, and it is very, very mandatory and essential part to get a certification, guys. Without certification, I told you now, you'll be paid very less. If a certified medical coder is earning 50,000 per month, and uncertified will get only 20,000. Okay, that too not on a permanent roles. If you want a permanent role in a corporate, then you must and should have a certification. In fact, nowadays, without medical certification, that is without the AAPC certification, they're not hiring the people. And who is using this? That means where the medical coding jobs are there. Medical coding jobs are available in all the big corporates who are having or who are dealing with the medical coding projects. okay, such as Cognizant Technologies is there, okay, and then you have a Reddy Labs is there. Many companies. Okay, guys. Okay, I will give you the list of companies also who is using the medical coding right now, who has the medical coding projects right now. So guys, based on that, so once you get a certification from the APC, immediately you can start the process of get that is nothing but interview, guys. And if you are thorough in this one, interview you can easily crack, guys. Interview is not the thing, because in the interview also they're going to ask you the same thing. How do you code this one? How do you code this one? That is something but let us say, how do you code the respiratory system, and what's the method of treatment given in that, what is the thing. All these are the details they're going to ask you even in the interviews also. So while in attending the interview, suppose if they ask something related to the respiratory system, then first of all it is better you explain them about the respiratory system, what is the respiratory system. And then respiratory system has the following type of diseases, you can say some, of course, some you can label some 2 3 diseases which you are very perfect in that, and then explain how you write the code, how do you write the sim in a coded manner. So all this is the how to write it, all the things we are going to learn here in the part of the session, guys. That's it. Okay. And the actual sessions we are going to start it from tomorrow, guys. Okay. The beginning of this we are going to see tomorrow, guys. Okay. And that's it for this same. And when it comes to my profile, I have around 10 years of industrial experience in this, guys. And okay, I'm working in a senior manager level right now. And next to when it comes to this, guys, uh, that is nothing but the duration. The duration of this will be okay, guys. It will be almost all 2 months to 2.5 months, guys. Okay, based on the things. And every week you will have an assessment test. Okay, assessment online test. You have to give it. I will create the things and give it to you guys. How to take the test, everything we will discuss it. So this will assess in the whole week, guys. Monday to Friday you will have the sessions. So in Monday to Friday, you whatever the things we have discussed, that you will have to write an examination on that every week, so that this will it will skill up your subject, and you will have a very good command over the thing. So once all this is the section is completed, then you can take 2 to 3 mock test, guys, before attending, because this will charge you around 700 and change dollars, guys, for writing this examination. The fees is some 700 and $800, 700 and odd, you can say almost all $800 is the fees you have it. So it's better before spending 50 60,000, you just attend the 4 to 5 mock calls, mock test, and then book the slots. I will help you how to book the slots, everything I will help you on that, guys. Need not worry on this. Okay. And okay, and next, about the job placements and everything, I will help you in preparing your resume. Okay, guys, how to prepare your resume, everything I'll show you in the session itself. Okay. And once the resume is prepared, everything, I'll give you the concerned HR mail IDs. So you can post your mail IDs to them. So directly you will get a call. Even you can also post your resume on the naukri.com, okay, jobsahead.com, Monster, all these are the websites where you can post your resumes. Okay. So that way also you can get the calls. But I don't think that much is required, because once you post this to the HR, automatically you'll get a call. And if you are having good enough, if you have passed this that is CPC examination, definitely you will be hired, no issues with that. Okay, that's the one, guys. Any other questions if you want about the packages, guys? The initial medical coder will have a 3 to 4 lakhs of package, guys, based on your experience, based on your thing, guys. If already you are from a medical background, then you can place even 2 to 3 years of experience as well, guys. Apart from the certification, you can also place 2 to 3 years. And accordingly, if you put 2 to 3 years of experience in medical coding, then obviously, guys, you can expect a 10 plus of package, guys. 10 lakhs plus package per annum, you can expect it, guys. Okay. So that's it here, guys, for the day. And any questions for me, you can go ahead and ask me, please.
Will you give certificate after the coaching? to me?
Yes, ma. Can you come again?
Will you give certificate after this coaching to me?
Yeah, we will give you the certificate. Of course, the DurgaSoft is going to give you because it's okay, ISO certified. They will give you, but that is not going to help you much in getting a job. You have to write a CPC examination and take the certification from the AAPC.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
that will help you more in getting a job. So that's it, guys. Here, that's it for the day. Here.
Interview classes are there. Interview classes are given.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Interview classes are given. Interview
Uh,
classes are given.
interview. I'm not. Your voice is not clear, ma. Please come again.
Okay. Okay. No.
No. You can write it. You can chat it. Type it in the chat box, please.
Okay.
You can type it in the chat box. If somebody wanna ask something, they can chat it. That is type it in the chat box, guys. I will respond it. Yeah, BAMS. You mean to say Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery? Yeah, of course. You can do it. That's not a problem. See, when it comes to this, as you are already a doctor, then that understanding this terminology will be more easier for you than a common man. Am I right? Then a person who is not from medical background would face somewhat difficulty to understand this code. But in your case, it will be very much easier for you to understand the things. So you can do. See, irrelevant nowadays. What the trend is going on, whatever the education background you have done, and whatever the job you're doing, it's irrelevant. But relevancy is that if you're already from the medical background, that will be an advantage for you, obviously. Okay, so that's the one you have it, ma. Thank you everyone for attending the session. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay, guys, tomorrow we'll go ahead with the session. Thank you. And all this, if you have any doubt, meanwhile, you can also contact me directly. This is my number, so you can get the things here directly. I'm available to answer your calls. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you everyone for the session. I'm just ending up. Bye bye.